The box said blonde and sassy.
I know that desperate times calls for desperate measures. That's why I want to thank you for purchasing our custom color kits and not putting a box dye on your head.
My gray hair's coming out too quick. I've been sheltered in place for way too long. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to turn. Help!
Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. Thank you for purchasing our survival root color kits. In this video tutorial, we're going to explain what's in the kit and how to properly use it. Now I'm going to turn it over to Paulina and she's going to take it from here.
Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and staying healthy. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to be your own hairstylist. So let's get started. In your kit, you're going to find a pair of gloves, tint brush, tint remover, developer, and color, and I'm going to mark the halfway if you're going to use half the formula. What you will also need is a mixing bowl, either glass or ceramic or plastic, an old t-shirt for you and the helper if you have a helper, a brush to brush out the tangles. If you have a resistant gray around the face, you could cut up a couple of foils, and you're going to need 2 spoons if you're only going to use half the formula. If you're going to use the full formula, you can use just 1. And you can also have 4 clips if you're doing a full application. If you don't have them, that's okay. We're going to take the developer and the color. Doesn't matter which one's which one's first. We're going to put it into the mixing bowl. We're going to take your brush and we're going to mix it all in. Mix it completely for about maybe 20 seconds. You're going to see the color and the developer combine and become one color. For demonstration purposes, I'm using shaving cream, so your color is not going to look like this. And now you're ready to apply. Now I'm going to show you how to do a mini touch-up on yourself. After brushing out all the hair, you're going to take your color, and whatever is excess, you can rub it on the side of the bowl so you don't get too much. So about this much. And this is where my hair normally parts, so start off there. And slowly you're going to start applying the color onto the part line. On one side, then you take a little bit more and go on the other side. And you can go a little further back just in case your hair starts to split. Make sure you have enough color where you can't really see through to the hair. After you get your part, you're going to cover the hairline.
You notice she doesn't have her gloves on? It's because she's a professional. She knows how to do this. And she's only using shaving cream for the demo.
You want to make sure that you get all of the little baby hairs in there. So you can see I have a whole bunch of little ones right there. And go a little past with the color, past your hairline, so you get all the baby hairs in there. Reinforce a little bit where your part is. So apply a little bit more color just to blend that in. Right here, and on this side as well. And some people have problem areas right by the ears right here, because the grays could be really stubborn. So you can part with your comb like this to section out, pull that forward, and this hair back, and you can apply that. And you can do the same thing on this side. That's it. Okay, we're going to do a full application. I have my sister Jane sectioned off into 4 quadrants. Down the middle, all the way back, ear to ear. And I'm going to start applying. We're going to start doing the part line. Getting enough color to sufficiently cover whatever your outgrowth is. If you brush a little bit into the color, the existing color, that's okay.
Okay, you're going to take that whole quadrant and you're going to subsection anywhere from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, really making sure you get enough product in there. And don't forget that hairline. Tag it again. Working on the other side of the head. Same process. Work your way all the way down. Tag that hairline again. That's what matters. Working in the back. Get a good amount of product on the top. Each section again. 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch subsection, depending on the density of the hair. And now we're on the home stretch. After you get to the bottom of this section here, you want to make sure that you tag that front hairline one more time and then slap on that foil. That's going to help you with that resistant gray.
Let the color process for 45 minutes. When you're ready to take it off, be very careful not to get any of the color into your eyes, so keep your head back in the shower. After you completely rinse the color out, just shampoo and condition. If you have any more staining on your forehead or your hairline, just use one of these pads and work it in circular motion to get all that off. And this concludes the tutorial video. Thank you guys again so much, and I hope to see you soon in the salon.
Ooh, do you see that? They hooked me up. That root color survival kit is amazing. I actually even look younger.
What's your désir?